Good morning, everybody. My name is Derek Taylor with eXp Realty, Goldtree Realty. And this morning I just kind of wanted to go over the home buying process with everybody. And to help me with that, I have Vinny from TRH Mortgage. He's here to kind of help us with that side of things and help everybody to understand some of the different terminology that you'll hear as you're going through the process. So one of the first things that we do whenever, as realtors, whenever we start talking to someone who's looking for a home, is we ask you, do you have a pre-approval letter yet? And so that's where Vinny comes in. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So what is a pre-approval letter?
Yeah, so a pre-approval letter basically is just you give me your information, fill out an application. I know your credit, your liabilities, stuff like that, so I can, with confidence say that you have a job, it's stable, you have the income needs in order to purchase that $150,000, $100,000, whatever home is in your price range. We know you're vetted, we know you're good to go.
Right. And so sometimes whenever somebody comes to us and they come for that pre-approval letter, they aren't quite ready. What are some of the things that they can do to help get their credit in the right spot to be able to get that pre-approval letter?
Absolutely. So credit obviously is a huge thing when it comes to buying a home. And so the biggest thing you can do is actually, use a credit card correctly. So a lot of people, right, they're afraid of having a credit card, but it really is a great tool that you can use to build your credit and to get you into a spot where you can purchase a home. I think the biggest way to put it is, if you give a saw to a carpenter, he can build you something beautiful, but if you give that same saw, that same tool to a toddler, right, you're gonna have some damage. Same thing with a credit card. You can use it great and it can really help you get ahead in life, or you can abuse it and it'll create some damage.
Yeah, for sure. And so then the next step obviously is where the fun comes in. You've got your pre-approval letter, and now it's time to go out and shop for a home. Go out and look at places. That's where I come in. I can show you these homes. Any home on the market, I am able to show you. We can get in and take a look at it and see what you think of it. And then from there, we can decide whether we want to make an offer and that kind of thing. After that, the next step is you have to apply for your loan. Now, it seems kind of strange. You're already pre-approved, but that isn't exactly how it works. And I'm sure Vinny can explain that a little more in depth.
Yeah, so after the pre-approval, right, you go searching for your home, you finally find one. You get an accepted offer, now we can start our end of the job. So being a broker, I get to work with multiple lenders, so I run your credit one time, and then I work with over 10 different lenders to find you the best deal. Once we get that purchase agreement, I can start shopping on that purchase price, different lenders to try to find you that best rate, and then the process kind of gets going to really get you into your new home.
Awesome. Yeah, and then beyond that, we go into inspections and appraisals. Now, there's a big difference between those two. Inspections are going to give you the information about the quality of the home, the major systems, the HVAC, the foundation, things like that. An appraisal is actually something that is done by the lender. What exactly is what is an appraisal? What's the difference?
Yeah. So with an appraisal, right, we're just trying to make sure that the home you're buying is worth what you're paying for it. So obviously you don't want to get in a $150,000 house and it's only worth $100,000. So we're just making sure that what you're paying for it is actually what it's worth. Absolutely.
And then from there, obviously, we're on our way to the closing table, which is right where we want to be. That's whenever you go in, you sign all the paperwork, and you get the keys to your brand new home, and you get that feeling of satisfaction that you're now a homeowner. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and have a great day.